Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix common PUBG bugs after a new update. Let's start with the basics. First, always verify your game files through your launcher to catch any corrupted data. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause many issues. Finally, a simple restart of both your game and device often resolves unexpected glitches. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Moving on, outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for performance problems. Make sure yours are fully updated for optimal game compatibility. If you're still facing issues, try lowering your in-game graphics settings. Sometimes, your system just needs a little less strain. Also, disable any background overlay applications, as they can interfere with game performance. These adjustments can significantly improve stability. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, why not upgrade your real-life clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your gaming space spotless, so you can focus on those chicken dinners. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes, accumulated cache files can cause unexpected behavior. Clearing your game's cache is a simple yet effective fix. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of the game might be necessary to ensure a fresh start. Don't forget to check for any pending operating system updates, as these often include important compatibility fixes. A clean slate can work wonders for stubborn bugs. For more persistent problems, try running the game as an administrator. This grants it necessary permissions. Occasionally, your antivirus or firewall might mistakenly block game processes, so temporarily disabling them can help diagnose. If you've exhausted all options, gather detailed information and contact PUBG support directly. They can offer specialized assistance for complex issues. Don't hesitate to reach out for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.